Adding a gift card to your Apple Wallet is a straightforward process. Today I'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your gift card into your digital wallet. To begin, open the Apple Wallet application on your device. Once inside, locate and tap on the Get Started with Apple Pay option. Next, you'll see an Add button. Tap on it to proceed. This action will initiate a brief process that will take you to a new page within the app. If you've already linked a credit card to your Apple Wallet, you may skip this step. However, if you haven't, you'll be prompted to provide your card information. Now, attempt to add your gift card. If it's successful, congratulations. Your gift card is now part of your Apple Wallet ecosystem. However, if you encounter an error, it's possible that the particular gift card brand isn't compatible with Apple Wallet. Certain gift card types, like Visa gift cards, are typically accepted. However, compatibility ultimately depends on the card issuer's policies. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added your gift card to your Apple Wallet. I hope you found this guide helpful in simplifying the process.